I'm Dad.
Hi, I'm Dom.
And this is Friday Workshop. It's a Friday. What is to you?
Yeah.
And we're in a workshop.
So, you know what that makes it? That makes it Friday Workshop!
Friday
Woo!
Yeah. So what is Friday Workshop?
Friday Workshop is mostly just making things, building things, and doing pretty much anything that involves the workshop. Okay?
Yeah. So all of you old subscribers and new subscribers, thank you.
And the person who just clicked on this video.
Because it had a cool title. Or maybe we had a good both. We'll find that out in the future. What are we doing this week in Friday Workshop?
This week in Friday Workshop, we're going to be making a finishing station.
Finishing station. Why would we need a finishing station?
Well, there's multiple reasons. One of the many reasons is because we need an area to be able to spray paint. And spray paint gets everywhere.
It goes a long way. Yeah, we have a 9-foot by 15-foot drop cloth, and that spray paint, little droplets of that spray paint will go past the 15 feet. And it's ridiculous how far it goes sometimes. So we need to contain that with a tent of some sort. What's another reason?
Well, another reason is because we like to do multiple projects at once.
Yes, that's true. And multiple projects at once, like many people who have a workshop, they're having projects in different states of being finishing. And so while we may have a project with really finish on it, we do all this work on it, we've got this sticky finish on it, and then we start cutting wood on the saw here, and then sawdust gets in the air.
Sawdust.
Yes, that should be a hit song. We should make a sawdust in the air video. And sawdust gets in the air and it gets on the finished work on the stuff that we just spent all of our time making. And so we've got to clean that up, and it's a big old process. And we just like to avoid that if possible. So we're going to be making finishing stations.
So we won't hold you long. So without further ado, here we go. All right, so let's go ahead and measure out this table that we're using to put our finishing station on. So let's see, it is 850 millimeters that way. And woo! It's a square table! 850 millimeters this way. No, I mean, it's not completely square, it's 700 here. Alright, let's see. I'm thinking we probably want like about 1,000 for the top, right? Yeah.
Yeah, about a meter tall.
Right up here is 1,000 millimeters right here. So that's what we're gonna be doing. So, without further ado, here we go! Alright, so right here is the idea that we have set up. So for the finishing station, we pretty much made a cube, except one side is open so that we can work on that side. So we ended up with the calculations that there's 6 of these, 2 of these, 7 800s, and 4 1000s. So this is pretty much our model, our base idea. So let's do it! Here we are in the store. We're getting these things. And what do you have in your hand, Dad? You got that thing and that. Alright, so right here we have it just right.
We couldn't fit more in if we wanted to.
Yeah.
We definitely couldn't.
So along with that, we have the stuff in the Home Depot bag, and that's where we came from.
Yeah.
Alright, so now we're going to head and measure out these poles. This one is 3,016 millimeters. Woohoo!
All right, looks like we can fit it on 4. If we do 3 cuts of 1,000 on one, we do 1,000, 2 800s on another one. We do 3 800s on one, and then 2 800s on the other one. So that's what our cut list is going to be.
Mm-hmm.
So let's do that.
Here we go.
All right. Well, guess what we did?
Dad accidentally bought the wrong one.
I got T's instead of the corner brackets. So, yeah, that's not going to help us. We got to go back to the store.
Oh, man.
Whoopsie.
All right, so now we're back from the store. We're going to go ahead and start assembling these.
So, to make this 1,000 wide, that'll give us some extra room. And so that's exactly about where this line is. So, okay.
So right now, Dad's doing something crazy. He's drilling into the table.
Alright. One more. Alright.
Eat a mouse.
Get a longer zip tie.
Oh, we were talking to planes. Okay. I thought we were gonna eat a mouse. All right.
We are not eating a mouse. There we go. And that thing is not going anywhere.
Yeah. Stay.
Stay.
Stay. Stay. Good project. What we're doing right now is bringing these screws so that we can weigh down our project. So to make sure it's not going anywhere. You're staying still. Stay still.
We are actually
Stay.
weighing down this flap here,
Yeah.
like a shower curtain. All right, so this is what we're at on day one. One reinforced with some more tape. The nuts at the bottom here. Inside, that's the strap piece. These just have the pieces on the side, and then all closes up.
Yeah.
So it's a self-contained area in there. So ET can fit in there.
Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and start making the Lazy Susan base. So we have a couple of boards right here. So the reason we have this third board is because we want it to be long enough in width for it to work as the base. So let's go ahead and measure this out. This is 900 by, looks to be about 3.5, which is about 90. Dad?
Yep, so we're going to put this at 450 because it's 900. So half of 900 is 450.
Alright, so what are we doing here, Dad?
Well, what we're going to do here is we're going to find the center of this circle.
Yeah.
Back center.
There, where Dad has that screw is the center of it.
Where I have the screw is the center.
Kind of hard to see because Dad's hands are right there, but he's gonna, looks like hand screwed in.
So, we're going to make 2 lines.
Yep. We're gonna take the big one, screw them down.
Love me, Makita.
Please sponsor us.
You're trying too hard.
Okay, don't sponsor us.
No, don't say that.
And it's either one way or the other. We're going for one of the extremes.
Looks like it's one of these T20s.
T20s. So these are the bits.
Yep.
T20s. They look really weird.
Yeah. What I'm gonna do is actually gonna put a
Focus
driver in here.
Ouch. And it spins! Woo!
Now let's see how much it's off. Okay, just grind these down. We're good to go.
Whee!
All right, so what happens after we sand something down?
We alcohol it! Alright, so we're gonna use some bug poop right now.
We're using shellac.
This is the same thing, right? Let's go ahead and get
You're not far off.
bug poop. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and apply this paste wax right here with this steel wall. Here we go.
Friday
Workshop!
Well, what did we do this week?
This week we made an awesome finishing station.
Did you have fun?
Yeah, that's pretty fun.
Yeah.
The finishing station really met all our demands.
What were those demands?
Well, one of those demands was to make sure that paint would get everywhere when we're either spray painting or painting.
Yeah, we succeeded.
Yeah, the second demand was to make sure that there was no sawdust in the air.
Oh my goodness. That song. Are we gonna have to make a Sawdust in the Air music
Comment
video?
down below, comment if you want us to make that video.
What? No,
Yes, I will remember you.
no. No, I will not.
do it.
Oh no. Please don't. I don't want to
Please
make a
comment.
Sawdust in the Air
Yeah,
music
well.
video. Okay, back to the video. Please forget that.
Remember that.
The Lazy Susan holds 500 pounds.
500 pounds more than me, dad, and maybe sister.
Put together.
Yeah.
We'd all sit on it and it would still rotate.
Wait, when did you work?
The table would work. Yeah, long before the Lazy Susan does. So I think we made it good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So good project and another successful one. If you like projects like these, what should they do?
They should like and subscribe and turn on those bell notifications so you can stay tuned and watch all the videos that we release.
Whoa, that's easy for you to say. We release them also every single Friday.
Every single Friday.
Hence the name, Friday Workshop. Which is awesome.
Yeah.
And we're having so much fun with this. So please join us for our journey in woodworking and making and just awesomeness. And so until next Friday.
We will see ya. See ya!